Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest in tech gear reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with the Anycubic Kobra 2 Pro. Let's see if this printer lives up to the hype. Right off the bat, the Kobra 2 Pro makes a bold statement with its sleek design and robust construction. Anycubic has put a lot of thought into the details, from the dual-threaded screws to the convenient USB slots on the front. Assembly is a breeze, thanks to the printer's semi-assembled design and clear, concise manual. Within just 5 to 10 minutes, you'll have this baby up and running. Once assembled, the Kobra 2 Pro impresses with its user-friendly interface and intuitive software. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, you'll find it easy to navigate through menus and adjust print settings to your liking. Now, let's talk about speed. The Kobra 2 Pro boasts an impressive 10x increase in printing speed compared to its predecessor, thanks to its high-power processor and optimized direct extruder. This means you'll spend less time waiting for your prints to finish and more time bringing your ideas to life. In terms of performance, the Kobra 2 Pro delivers consistent, high-quality prints with minimal errors. Its advanced leveling system ensures a perfect first layer every time, while its filament runout sensor prevents unexpected interruptions mid-print. Speaking of prints, the Kobra 2 Pro excels in producing smooth, detailed outputs, making it ideal for a variety of applications, from model making to product design. Its fine flow control and impressive bridging capabilities set it apart from the competition. So, what's the verdict? With its exceptional speed, advanced features, and reliable performance, it's a must-have for hobbyists, professionals, and everyone in between. That's all for today's review. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews and product insights. See you next time.